Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YRIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out, especially in this situation, a very logical question, quite straightforward. Very quickly, the market is still open for a few minutes, so no, you don't need to go to the eye doctor. That candle right there is still changing a little bit. But as far as what I want to talk about, unless there's some sort of drastic move that happens, which would be cool to capture on video, then what I talk about is still going to pertain. And what I want to focus on is, the very nice move that happened today. I mean, when you stop and think that the price originally was down around these lows this morning, and now all of a sudden the price is up around this area of the chart, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very, very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, going forward, it all revolves around this 84-cent level down here. So the key question really just becomes, can the price stay above 84? I don't mean to stay, insult your intelligence, but if the price were to come down here, break below 84, and then just continue on down, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, you would literally have the price right back to where it was before the breakout happened. And like I said, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Whereas let's say the price actually does still, pulls back. Not saying it will, but just for example's sake. However, in this situation, behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, now what do you have? Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying, again, quote-unquote progress as 84 cents. What about levels of resistance going into Wednesday? For this one, I go a little bit into the history of things here just to give a little bit of context. Oh, I guess I already have mapped that out. So in the very near term, so from a previous video, you have this level right here at 94, which makes sense. You go back here through the history of things, and you can see 94 rejected the price there, and it's currently rejecting the price right now. If the price can break through 94, then yeah, the next key overarching level with that red line up there is right there at the dollar mark. Anyway, look at it though, nice movement today. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.